с нуля мне никуда не, я никуда не пойду, Таня? Right, sorry. Tatiana was saying, you know, just give me a zero and just go. It's like, all right, lady. Well, are you meaning to say that if I score zero, I can just get out of here? Man, that is good. Betting time is closed. Everybody wants me to leave. Jesus, I thought you guys were nice. 3 lightning numbers. Everybody's so nice to me today. 535, 36, 15, 100, 200x. Wow, that's a 1, everybody. Lowest of the low. So many low numbers right now. Well, the King Big, I'm not... The thing about hosts, you know, we're not trying to rip people off because we're just hosts. It's just the thing of the fact of the matter is, you know, it's not like I'm making you, right? It's you do it on your own free will. Betting time is closed. I mean, you're doing it, you know. I'm not making you or anything. 2 lightning numbers, everybody. 16 and 33. All right, we got 100 and 200x. Six black, everybody. How you doing, MGA? How you doing, my man? Long time no seen. Where have you been? Let me guess. You were traveling around the world and you didn't have time to play some Lightning Roulette. You know, just like, all right, I got you. I got you. All right. The only thing I'm having in my head right now, ladies and gentlemen, because my first language is obviously Russian, so I would love to host this game in a Russian language. I would love it. Betting time is closed. I would be far more entertaining than I am right now. And we got 3 lightning numbers. So we got 4, we got 13, we got 32, 50, 100x multipliers. Man, why is it like it's so close to 0 and yet not on it? All right, so we got 3 red, everybody. And Navanish is saying site is not working. I think everything is working right now. Everything is working like clock, ladies and gentlemen. So we're cool, ladies and gentlemen. We're cool with that. Can you say zit is a brick? Zit is a brick. The betting time is closed. Happy birthday, my man. I mean, your friend, obviously. Man, I will have my birthday in like 2 months, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be turning 30. 17, 23, 50x for both. Always missing with those lightning numbers. So 18 red, the winning number for this round. So Vilix and Brid. Oh, Vilix and Big. Oh, right. That's a nice nickname you got there, man. So, what should I call you, man? Vilix? This is a brick. This is a brick. You mean this is a brick? That's not a brick. This is a brick. All right. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. So we got 4 lightning now. Finally, thank you. 2, 4, 18, 33, 50, 100, 150x. And we got 15, everybody. So Mia is asking, how many numbers can I bet on? Mia, you can bet on all of the numbers. Literally. There is no limit to how many numbers you can bet on. If you want to, you can bet on every single number. I don't think that's a good strategy per se. I mean, not a lot of people actually do that. I don't know if people are doing it. The betting time is closed. I imagine some of the people actually do it, you know, just like if they have sufficient funds, why not cover all the numbers, right? So we got 2 lightning numbers. We got 15, we got 18. All right, 50 and 100. X multiply. Boy, oh boy, 33, everybody. All right, so we got our last 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Last 5, and then who's gonna come next? Alex is gonna be next, the big Russian Zeus. Hopefully Alex can give you guys some multipliers. Well, we still have 5 minutes. Let's just hope in those 5 minutes we can actually get, I don't know, a couple of multipliers. Hopefully, yes. All right, so the betting time is closed, everybody. And we got 3 lightning numbers. So we got 9, we got 13, we got 20. We got a 500, everybody. 300, 100x. Can we get a 9, please? Please. Nope. 6 black, everybody. Too bad. Too bad. If I remember correctly, the last time I had a 500x was 9 days ago. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. 9 days ago, I had 4 500x multipliers. Oh boy, that was such a good day. Everybody was like mental during those times. Like everybody was like, dude, that is not possible. But it was possible, ladies and gentlemen. And I did it. Betting time is close. Last 3 minutes. 3 lightning numbers. 3, 8, 14. 150x multipliers. And that's 36, everybody. Too bad. Too bad. Oh man, somebody's writing Arabic, I think. But if I'm not mistaken, I think that's Arabic. Shadikaboli. Shadikaboli. Mr. Shadikaboli, it's not allowed to give out your personal information in this game, so you can get banned from this. I mean, not banned from the game itself, but banned from the chat interaction. So if you don't want to get banned, I suggest you don't give your personal information, like WhatsApp or stuff like that. So lightning numbers 14, 16, 150x multipliers. Right, 19 red, everybody. That's the winning number for this round. Yes, Devil Rule is saying, so close, indeed. Do you mean like, oh yeah, close to the multiplier and close to the 0? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's like my life. Always close, but never there. Alright, so what are we gonna do next? We're gonna put the lever down. Betting time is closed. And we got 4 lightning numbers. Jesser, I'm gonna talk to you later. 19, 21, 28, 35, 50, and 100x multiply. And we've got a 0, everybody. All my Russian people, where you at? There you go, 0.